morning, guys. Hope you're doing okay today. Have you ever wondered what kind of an apartment or condo you could rent in Bangkok? Well, I'm going to give you a tour of the condo where I'm living. I'll show you the facilities first, then I'll show you the unit that I'm renting. We have an on-site 7-Eleven, which is very convenient, and a laundry, which is also convenient. This is the pool area. It's quite a large pool, very long, has a shallow kiddie pool at the end, and then a 1.2 meter deep swimming pool. And this is a quite comfortable place to relax in the afternoons, either to swim or just to sit out here in the cool breezes and read a book. This condo isn't in central Bangkok, it's in suburban Bangkok, Pakkret Nonthaburi to be exact. In the center, prices would be a good bit more expensive than this place. I'm spending 10,000 baht a month for the condo that I'm renting. You can spend just about any amount you want to here in Bangkok or the suburbs of Bangkok. You can spend 4,000 or 5,000 baht on a studio apartment, or you can spend 50,000 baht on a deluxe serviced apartment. Up to you. Water and electricity are at the government price, which means they're fairly cheap, and I'm paying 799 baht per month for internet and basic cable through True Internet. And this is the fitness area. It's busy early in the morning, and then after work it gets really busy. But during the middle of the day it's generally pretty deserted. It's not huge and doesn't have a tremendous amount of equipment, but it does have enough that you can get a good workout. This condo is convenient to shopping. There is a Tesco and a Macro within walking distance, and there's a Big C that's not much further. Central Festival Shopping Mall is about 1.5 kilometers away. It takes me about 5 or 10 minutes on my motorbike. The neighborhood isn't really beautiful. It's got a lot of industrial and commercial buildings and a lot of housing subdivisions tucked away behind those. But there are some very nice parks that aren't far away. And this is the view north from the condo. Over to the left is Impact Muang Thong, which is one of the biggest concert venues and exhibition spaces in Bangkok. Okay, so here we are. This is the apartment. Okay, this is the kitchenette over here. We have, of course, the sink and a 2-burner stovetop. The microwave is located rather inconveniently, but I don't use it that much anyway. And we have a bar here for eating. And we also have quite a bit of storage here behind the door. We have a shoe rack built in, which is very convenient. I've got my computer set up here in the living room. And the TV. I just got the Wi-Fi set up yesterday, so now I have computer and cable TV. Now this apartment has 2 air conditioners, one in the living room and one in the bedroom. Queen size bed here, and a very large storage, very large closet for storage. And there's my other air conditioner. Now this is the bathroom. Has a shower, no tub, but that's okay. here is the balcony. Doesn't have a great view, but I can see some of the skyline there of Bangkok and the building. Okay, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please share the video and subscribe to my channel, Curious Bob. See you next time.